what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
To you, Loewe, I love you, and I'll continue my love and trust. Whatever happened, so I will never surrender and still love you until death, you know, because I love you so much. That's all.
Tell you how I feel. Every day is something new. If I spend it with you.
Hi, love. This is our 25th anniversary celebration, and I'm very happy to share this with our family, friends, and relatives. So, it is a very big blessing that we have reached this far in our marriage. You never failed to understand me, to believe in me, to encourage me, and to make me laugh. In the 25 years that we've been together, I have no regrets that you're the man that I chose to marry. And I love you, and I will always will.
How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now.
Have you not read that the Creator from the beginning made them male and female? And he said, this is why a man must leave his father and mother and cling to his wife, and the two shall become one.
you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
The first purpose of marriage is so that you have someone by your side in sickness and in health. Through thick and thin, through ups and downs of marriage life, you have somebody by your side. Not in front of you, not at your back, but on your side as a companion, a suitable partner. This is the intention of God for marriage. And I'm happy to know that when I celebrated your wedding 25 years ago, I witnessed with my own eyes how you, Robert and Loewe, have been, by each other's side. There are many times you wanted to give up, but knowing that you were not alone, somebody was with you, it gave you the strength to go on and continue the journey of married life. And this journey will not end, because this journey is a journey to forever.